Let's talk about budgeting. It's a topic that can sometimes feel intimidating, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. Think of budgeting not as a restriction, a set of rules designed to limit you, but as your roadmap to financial freedom. It's about empowering yourself. Think of a budget as your GPS, guiding you towards your financial goals. It's a plan that tells your money where to go, ensuring it's working for you, not the other way around. This way, you're in control, making informed decisions, not confused or overwhelmed by where your money is going. If you feel broke, constantly struggling to make ends meet, that's exactly why you need a budget. It's the first step towards changing your financial situation. When you're on a tight budget, every dollar matters more than ever. Budgeting isn't just for the wealthy, those who seem to have endless resources. It's a tool for anyone who wants to stop stressing about money and gain peace of mind. It's about taking control of your finances and start building a better future, brick by brick. The real magic? A budget gives you freedom from anxiety, knowing where your money is going and what you can afford. It empowers you and lets you spend on what you value, guilt-free, because you've planned for it. It's not about how much you make, whether it's a little or a lot. It's about how smart you are with what you have, making every penny count. Whether you're a student, juggling tuition and expenses, a freelancer with fluctuating income, or just starting out in your career, finding your financial footing, budgeting is your secret weapon, your superpower for financial success. Ready to get smart with your money and take control of your financial destiny? Let's break it down, step by step, making the process clear and manageable. You'll see, it's easier than you think, and the rewards are well worth the effort. Take control of your finances, and your future self will thank you for the security and opportunities you've created. Let's get started on this journey to financial empowerment. Step 1, and this is absolutely crucial, know your numbers. Understanding where your money goes is the foundation of any successful financial plan. It's about getting real with your current situation. For at least a month, track every single dollar you spend. Yes, every single one. This might seem tedious, but trust me, it's eye-opening. That includes every coffee, every subscription service you might have forgotten about, and every little snack. You can use a notebook, your phone, or a free budgeting app. Whatever method works best for you, just be consistent and diligent about recording everything. Simultaneously, while you're tracking your expenses, figure out your total monthly income. This is the money you bring in before taxes and other deductions. If your income is steady and predictable, simply use your pay stub. But if it's irregular, like if you're a freelancer or have variable hours, average your income from the last few months. When in doubt, be conservative with your estimate. After a month of diligent tracking, it's time to compare your total expenses to your total income. Are you spending more money than you make each month? Or do you have money left over after covering all your expenses? Resist the urge to judge yourself or feel guilty about your spending habits. Just gather the cold, hard facts. This detailed overview is your current financial snapshot. And with this newfound clarity, you'll be empowered to make smarter, more informed financial decisions moving forward. You've already accomplished the hardest part, facing the truth about your spending and income. Now let's take this valuable information and use it to build a personalized financial plan that works for you. On to the next step in your journey to financial well-being. Now, let's dive into the crucial step of sorting your spending. Understanding where your money goes is the first step towards financial freedom. We're going to break down your expenses into two fundamental categories. These categories are needs versus wants. This distinction is key to creating a budget that works for you, allowing you to prioritize what truly matters. Needs are the essentials. Things like rent, utilities, basic groceries, the food that keeps you going, transportation to get you where you need to be, and essential medical costs. Be strict. This list should be short and focused only on what you absolutely require to live and work. Everything else falls into the category of a want. Things like those daily coffee shop runs, streaming services subscriptions, eating out at restaurants, buying new clothes, and entertainment of all kinds. Wants aren't inherently bad. They make life more enjoyable and fun. But they shouldn't crowd out your needs or, more importantly, your long-term financial goals. Take a good hard look at your lists and ask yourself, are your wants eating up a disproportionate amount of your budget? This is your golden opportunity to spot areas where you can consciously cut back and save. The power to change your financial future is in your hands. Carefully choose what's truly worth spending your hard-earned money on and what simply isn't. This simple yet powerful exercise gives you a sense of control and clarity over your finances. Now that you have a clear picture of your spending, let's put your money to work for you. It's time to take decisive action and start building a brighter financial future. You've tracked, sorted, and now it's time to act. First, cut costs. Start with wants you can reduce or pause, like unused subscriptions or eating out. Tackle bigger expenses. Plan meals, buy generic, pack lunches. Small changes add up fast. Next, boost your income. Even an extra $50 a month helps. Try freelancing, gig work, or selling unused items. Don't expect perfection. Budgets need adjusting. Review regularly, learn, and keep improving. Every step builds your financial security. You're changing your money story one choice at a time. Remember, progress beats perfection. You've got this. Start today.